getting ready for the season, kind of at the end of March, but I have to admit, it has been quite warm, a lot of rain, stuff like that. And I think it's just about that time to see a couple little weeds coming in, unfortunately. So, got to really get up on this stuff. Now, Ace Hardware. Ace is the place, right? Here's the thing. Maybe it's not everywhere. It's kind of like a strange place. It's small. It's not like your Home Depot. It's not really like your Lowe's. However, they're the only ones who seem to carry really Jonathan Green. I mean, for a semi-big box store, it's not really that big, but... So what I did is I bought a mix. And what I mean by that is you have the early spring and then the later spring. So you have to go also buy this guy. On the back here, it shows you what to do. Feed your lawn. So I'm just basically... I have enough. I think I have seed left over. It's not even that big of a deal. I got a couple patches in the front over there that I got to deal with. Of course, these stupid dog walkers effing up the scene. So early spring, we got these blue guys. So that's March and April. And then late spring, of course, would be considered, as they say over here, is May and June. So that's why I said, let me buy 4 of these now. The reason why I bought 4 is because they're having a great deal right now. Not sure how long it's going to be going on, but you had to be a rewards member. Lady gave me this. I was like, it's worth it. This was $79, $80. Now, it's a lot, but at the same time, I think it's even more money, of course. I mean, this stuff is a ripoff as it is. Everything is. But 5,000 square feet. Now, I'm on a lot of about 9,000 square feet. So I got, 10,000? But of course, that doesn't include the house and everything else. There's a lot of cement here, all sorts of stuff. My property is extremely spread out by different sidewalk. You got sidewalk, you got this layer, you got this layer. There's another layer up top. I got grass over here. I got grass on that layer. Then I got another grass. It's just grasses everywhere on another walkway. So I'm going to see if this is enough. Even at 10,000, I like to put it down. You know what I mean? I don't want to be cheap with it. So originally I was thinking, maybe I could do 2 and 2, 2 and 2, be with the sale. If not, I'll go back. I'll do another $80. It's worth it. You know what I mean? Like, you have to really invest in the lawn, especially at this time. Get it right now. I should have probably been out there already. There's been a lot of rain. But it is what it is. It's super nice one day and then it's freezing the next day. So it's like an early spring, if you would say. But we're going to apply this, throw it in there, and hopefully get those Jonathan Green results. So let you see, you know what? Here's what 5,000 was. There's the whole bag in there. Like I said, it's not a lot to me, if you ask me. So, put your settings, whatever it is. But my problem is, this particular lawn is just all over. So, in some places I need to be very careful because the width is very small and then others is very wide. So part 2, the process. I've done the sidewalk pads. They're all finished. I actually did it by hand and sprinkled them in there. You know what it is? This spreader, it just doesn't. It ends up going all over the place. So here's what I'm really working with. A lot of little weeds. Let me try to get out of the shot with the shadow. This I always have a hard time with. It erodes, unfortunately. I don't think it's packed correctly, this wall. But I try to always do it each year. I try to kind of make it level as much as I can. The slope was actually a lot worse. But I try to make it the grass level with the wall. Got to try again. So my OCD here, I can't leave things alone. I like to take on more projects, and this is one of them. I mean, it kind of stops in this sort of little hill of rocks. I just pulled these out, and then grass grew through them. So what I think I'm going to do is take all this. I've already taken these out. They came out easily, and now I'm going to make like a little rock wall here. Maybe do one across, because I do have a lot of erosion. I have these other things here. And these aren't that tall, but sometimes you'd be surprised. Kind of stop the erosion. These have really grown very well all of a sudden. Those are still very small. Then I have all this to do, and you can see there is a lot of weed activity, crabgrass coming through, so I really got to get on this right now. But my plan is to probably decimate this, make it nice. I really want these to grow just in this section, and I would be happy with that. And then have the grass just basically go to the end of this line straight down. Move the rocks, make a little wall, take all this out, and then, you know what? Utilize that dirt for here. Why not do it that way? But yeah, that's where I'm at. Doing the spreader here. I'm trying to do the harder parts first. Hold on. There we go. And there you have it.